ban kentiu ban penne bat ban pensan ya kerukom thaiñ Ryndia ka jela nakaliang ka Directorate of Sericulture and Weaving Shillong Department of Textiles hak nyau tarik nailar arja arpulai kala rakhi ya ka National Handloom Day dak bapenlong ya ka tentative program ha National Institute of Fashion Technology NIFT maudiang diang Hakatay kasngi umentri katanat social welfare uba Paul Lingdo ulay simbanta kumukongsan UMLA kanong po uba Meral Bonds im kumusembut kongsan haringkat kajinya don lang uba Frederick Roy Karkungor Commissioner but Secretary bakmi katanat Textiles ka Sarkar Jela ka kong Karamay Karkungor ka Secretary jong katanat Textiles but kiway Haba jing kran nakalyang uba por ulaong Maghiday ban pen I nuksa baka Meghalaya ka don yala ka jong kasap ka pong ban pen I syakiway pat kiri bat ulaong bahadian katu kat ni benay yakini ki jaiñ malathan an sa pen I paidbah ha Milan ka badon ha Italy
Meghalaya has arrived in terms of the skills that we have been able to ingrain in ourselves, inherited from our ancestors. I'm happy to learn that some of you are representative of the third generation of weavers in your villages. And today at the exhibition, while going to the various stalls, I encountered a particular gentleman, I think about James, who has gone international, whose products have reached Europe. And what else? The sky is the limit for us. There are more success stories that we can should script, and I certainly take it upon myself to lead from the front and ensure that this map is not only to be displayed here at NIFT, this map will become a global map one day. It will be recognized by the rest of the world. We have just released a coffee table book, and with the other departments that I'm in charge of, tourism, arts and culture, social welfare, we will also take this coffee table book to the rest of the world, starting with our own tourism department here in Meghalaya. We must send a strong signal to the rest of the world that Meghalaya and its people are not so good at eating, but that they are excellent at giving, at showing to the rest of the world. There is a saying that the hand that rocks the cradle rules the world. Gakti kaba benki ya jingtia kasilchai pertai. But today it's not only the hand that rocks the cradle, it's also the hand that weaves will rule the world. Let us keep that as an aspiration for this Department of Textiles, that the hands that move these weaving, spinning wheels will one day rule the world. In a couple of months from now, all our products will be showcased at Milan, Italy, the fashion capital of Europe. It's going to be a huge statement on the part of Meghalaya.
Nakaliang ba Meral Bonds im ulaong baling ba kani ka program kalong kabudan kam yangi ban pen I yala ka jong ka riti ka dustur ling ba kani ka rukom than bat badai ban pen ne pen sa ya ka
initiative that has been taken by the state government, initiative taken by the central government through the Ministry of Textile for the support to uplift the weavers within the state who are representing different culture, identity of our state. We cannot deny the fact that we have been blessed as a state We have a beautiful constitution that has been carved out, where we have the 6th schedule to empower the local, the traditional head. We have the authority upon the soil, the customary law that we have, and many issues with regard protection for the indigenous people of our state. And we are happy to see that as a state, we have a 3 autonomous district council, the Jaiñ Hills Autonomous District Council, the Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council, and the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. And as a citizen of the state, where most of the part of our state is under scheduled land, and this it goes hand in hand at the same time to promote the cultural identity through different Rangba Shnong, the Nokuma, the Hima, district council that we have. And I'm not wrong to say that we are here today to showcase the different unique habit that we have. I came from a village where almost every household they know how to do weaving. I belong to the village from Diwan, Umden, on the right Nongtlu, which has been recognized as an airy village on the 8th of February 2021. Thank you so much to the government of Meghalaya, to the Honorable Chief Minister, to all the officials of the Textile Department. Pak Harkongor, you are the one who have put effort or as an architect to lead from the front.